Hi guys, Epic Speed here, back with another video here today. And today, we are doing another unboxing video here today. As you can see, we have two brand new Hot Wheels cars. I literally picked these up in the store the day I recording this. I picked up a Formula E Gen 2 car. And I also picked up a 2020 koeningsegg? I don't know how to say it. But somebody let me know down in the comments below. So this is number 1 of Hot Wheels Green Speed, and this is number 2 of Hot Wheels Torque. So I guess let's just get these guys out the packet. Here's all the information. I'll try and get a link into both cars. It's just, your regular information in the back. So I think I'm going to start with the Formula 2 car. So we better get this out the packet real quickly. There we go, nice and out the packet. We'll open this one later. So it does actually look pretty nice. I'm not going to lie, but like that black and red paint job makes it look quite nice. The reason why I picked this one out is because, well, it's pretty nice. Sorry about the camera's blurry at the moment. Try and just hold it stable. There we go. This looks pretty good. Like, this is the porche one. There's no like man in there though. Like, it's just a seat. Well, I don't know if that's like character or something in there. It doesn't really look like it though. Of course, it's your Hot Wheels sign underneath. No. Can you guys guess what this is made? Guess what? It's not made in China. How often does this happen? This is not made in China. Jeez. Wow, that's impressive. Like, generally, you guys probably know everything's made in China these days, but just not this car. Anyway, I want to say this looks pretty nice. I might use it in one of the future stop motion videos, They do like some cars that are trying to rob this off the back of a truck. Probably with some like explosions and good sound effects. But it does look pretty nice. There's a couple of spawns in it. I'll try and give it a second. Maybe the camera's too close. There we go. Yeah, the car looks pretty good. I'm gonna rate it maybe an 8.9 out of 10 if I had to rate it, because I think I might start breaking everything I unbox. So yeah, this is a pretty good car, but we have another one to do. So right, on to the next one. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, so outside the packet, this thing looks lovely. It's got a very interesting spoiler design, if I have to be honest. Never really seen anything like it. It's quite nice. You got the green stripe there, the black and grey bits, very black wheels. There's interior detail. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll zoom in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see it. Here's the wall at the front of the car. I'll just let it zoom in. Sorry, my camera takes a bit to focus. I don't know why, but it doesn't like focusing at the front of Hot Wheels cars. I've found that in my stop motion videos. There we go. It's not really focused 100%, but it will do. So, car looks pretty nice. Got like the white color. It looks quite nice. Very, very interesting spoiler design now. Can somebody let me know how to pronounce this properly? Like, I've seen lots of these cars before, but I've never seen this design. Maybe this is the new one they've just released. And there was a lot of other ones at the store, but I only picked up these two because I do use my own money for these unboxing videos, so I'm technically paying for like all these cars and things. I don't even get paid from YouTube. Yeah, so please do consider subscribing. It really helps me out. One more subscriber away from 50 subscribers. I have to do this I'll do a 50 subscriber special for that. I'll do one like every 10. Then when we get to 100, I'll start doing it like to 100, 200, 300. I guess then you get the point. So, let's just get the F2 car in the shot. Very nice. So these two cars do look very nice. I do admit, we have some very nice, especially they both have like fancy headlights and things. Yeah, I'm just gonna get around here. There we go. Yeah, I quite like both of these cars. I'm gonna rate this one maybe I'm trying to give it a 9.1 out of 10 actually. 9.1. But I do also quite like the F2 car, so don't put that off. I'll try and put a link in the description. And yeah. And just thanks for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this video. Check out my unboxing playlist if you haven't, if you enjoyed this video. And by the way, stay speedy. I've been recording this in my holiday home toilet the whole time.